Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable showing Bitmojis and notifications on Snapchat. Add a fun and personalized touch to your notifications by following these simple steps. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your avatar or profile picture situated at the top left corner of the screen to navigate to your profile settings. Next, locate and tap the settings icon at the top right of the screen to access your account settings. Select Notifications from the menu options displayed on the screen. Now, find the Bitmojis and Notifications option and mark it to enable showing Bitmojis in your notifications on Snapchat. By following these steps, you can add a playful element to your notifications and make them more engaging with Bitmojis. Thank you for watching this guide on how to enable showing Bitmojis and notifications on Snapchat. Enhance your notification experience and add a touch of fun to your alerts by marking Bitmojis in your notification settings. Stay connected and entertained with personalized Bitmojis in your notifications on Snapchat. Enjoy a more interactive and engaging Snapchat experience with this simple adjustment.